Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Realme 9i. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices. Then click on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, install this free app from this developer and open it. Over here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept. The screen is a bit off, sorry. Confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select Receive on Realme and Send on Nokia. Following that, click on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file, like that photo. Just send and click on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on Realme, then choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and choose Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!